like every night.
Good morning. So it's 10:30 or 10:40, and what time we slept? We slept at 3:30 or 4 a.m. So 10 a.m. was supposed to be our checkout time, and we just woke up. I just brushed my teeth and I just washed my face. Like these people are still washing. Ulka, you done brushing your teeth? So we're just getting ready because the buffet is about to get over. So like the guys are so useless. Like Rupen woke up at 10. He just ran and to have his breakfast, and then he's calling us from there. Jaldi karo, jaldi karo, jaldi karo. Like hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. It is about to get over.
I want to say good morning. Hey, good morning.
So I'm telling about how useless guys are.
Yeah, they are pretty useless. We were so hungry from night.
And I guess we slept at 3:30 or 4.
5.
Five we slept.
We slept.
What time did everybody disperse?
3:30.
But I guess uske baad till 4:30 everybody was like washing their face and everything and like that. But okay, we'll go and have breakfast if it's still there. And oh my god, the view. Shit, it's pure. Guys, the view was so pretty yesterday, and today you can't even see anything. See? So I guess we are already late, so just not to add on to the factor, I'll just go have breakfast and I'll. We literally had to beg them to make some more dosas for us, and we are having some bread butter and poha and all. So we'll just eat and we'll get posted. Bye. You want to say something? This is the haramkhor. This is the haramkhor that came to eat all by himself. Look at all the things in front of him. We just had whatever is left over, so we just have them. Bye. So we are almost done with our food, like our breakfast.
Almost
Starting our plates. And I just got to know that Rupa, like Rupen, I call him Rupa from the first day. Rupa, do that once again. He has another interesting nickname. Okay, I'm not telling. So basically, as you can see, Varun sir, Chetna, and this, who was the third person? Oh, Ulka. So they went to take shower, and obviously because the washroom is occupied, so we are here talking about Rupen's exes and their marriages. And guys, can you see the view? Like,
no, they can't.
I'm sure it's not coming so pretty, but it's so beautiful. What?
ये बहुत सही था. अगली बार से ये जब भी मुझे what do you have to say about this? What can people say about this?
Shivani is still so awkward with all this recording. Hopefully on the next trip, or by next trip, I think she should be comfortable. Just like Chetna. Chetna though, if I'm recording 10 kilometers away also, Chetna will come running like, hey, I want to say hi, and then she'll be like, okay, fine. Somebody is interested in vlogging.
Chetna should start a channel of her own.
Yeah, I think so. Usme she can vlog. Other than that,
Super funny.
what time did you sleep?
3. 3:30.
Exactly when you went, you slept.
3:30 4 बजे. भाई नहा तो लो. Come on.
Very much.
अरे फोटो खींचो.
And just to tell you, I told you that he went to take shower. This is his shower, talking to his ex, so probably. He switched on the
कल रात से
geyser.
चालू है गीजर. किसको बुला रहे हो?
Is Varun sir's and Rupen's villa, and the next dome is my Shivani, Chetna, and Ulka's villa. It is villa only, small villa, cute villa. Villa only? Splits villa. No, not splits villa. It is male villa. Acha, ask. Ek minute, wait. One of the most interesting. How did you and Varun sir sleep?
Let this be remain a secret.
Yeah.
Huh? So Rupen and Varun sir shared the same bed, and we were hearing the stories of how interesting it was.
Barricades, okay?
These guys these guys didn't even trust themselves. They had to keep a huge pile of pillows in between them while sleeping. and the most interesting part is, in the morning our manager, he removed the pillows
आवाज आ रही है क्या click की?
and we asked Rupen what happened. He was like,
Click की
I
आवाज
don't
है।
remember anything. I don't remember anything.
Okay.
Rupa, what happened when Varun was to remove the pillows in between you guys? What happened between you and Varun sir once they removed the pillows?
Can't say.
You don't remember it? You don't remember anything? So this happened. Our Rupa lutify. Yes, I'll keep you posted. Most probably we'll just get ready and then we don't have a plan of action as of yet, right? We don't have any plan of action, do we?
When we have.
Exactly, it is always so spontaneous. So I'll keep you posted. Bye, Sunny.
Bye-bye.
Hi guys. So yeah, all of us we took shower and we're just checking out. It was just 22 hours, but we were supposed to check out at 10 and it's almost 1. And so one more interesting thing about this is, unintentionally all other girls are wearing pink. Like Shivani is wearing pink, Ulka is wearing pink, and Chetna is wearing pink, and I'm the only one out, like the odd one out, in green. Like I was like, if you guys decided, why didn't you tell me? Then they're like, no, we didn't decide, we just happened and all that. So we checked out. I'm going to miss this place so much. Shivani and Ulka. Stairs. It actually depicts how unhealthy we are. That we can't even. Okay, I'll go up and I'll talk to you. Bye. We're almost in reception and somebody else also have breathing heavy. And Chetna is the hottie for the day. She's wearing a pink dress. Even Rupen is wearing pink.
Matching यार.
What is this?
Matching. This is not pink, man.
Rupen?
This is red. धुल के थोड़ा pink हो गया. This was red, okay, originally.
Chetna?
चलो पिंकी सारे साथ में खड़े हो जाओ.
See?
इधर आओ इधर.
Chetna, Ulka,
इधर आ जाओ.
Shivani and...
चलो ये जो
सुनो ना.
लिफ्ट चल रही थी उधर.
And Rupen, everybody is in pink.
अरे वो सर.
I had a white and blue shirt. I'm glad I didn't wear it. This guy is in white. I'm glad I didn't wear white. So we came for boating.
Yeah.
Rupa,
And
Shivani.
there is some R&D going on there.
Yeah. Because Chetna is wearing dress, so she cannot obviously.
पब्लिकली डाली सर पब्लिकली डाली.
She's wearing dress. She's wearing dress.
वाले टॉयलेट में जा रही हूँ मैं ड्रेस ले ली स्ट्रिप के बाद से ताकि
ले ली स्ट्रिप के बाद.
इस ट्रिप के बाद
ये काम भी शुरू
मुंह छुपाने वाली हरकत नहीं की अभी तक.
इस ट्रिप वही. And we finally decided on. मुझे दिख नहीं रहा कुछ.
थोड़ी मुंडी तो कर ले.
And we decided on a motorboat.
थोड़ा सीन भी.
So, me, Rupen, Shivani, Ulka, Chetna and Varun sir, सब दिख रहा है.
वो नहीं है मेरे पास। पूछ लो
नहीं मुझे वो दूसरी वाली चाहिए
ऑरेंज है
मैम चॉकलेट
एक वन मोर
chocolate almond ma'am I want chocolate almond me too finish only 4
कुल्फी है कुल्फी नहीं कौन जाना चाहता हमने आइसक्रीम खाई के लिए
माऊ बोबो
आइसक्रीम लगी बाल में लगी लव सैनिटाइजर दो
सैनी
सैनी का टाइम
सैनी कहाँ से मिलेगा तुझे वरुण सैनी
सैनी का टाइम
somebody missing वरुण सैनी another Kuli का fan so bye okay we started the journey again
I'm using sanitizer.
and he did die
जबलपुर में नहीं मिलता यहाँ पे यूज कर रहा है जिंदगी में पहली बार महंगी चीज है
so the music मैं कबूतर फंसिया तो और कोई फंसे बिना मैं कबूतर फंसिया तो और कोई फंसे बिना मैं कबूतर फंसिया तो और कोई फंसे बिना
दोनों में क्या करता है जल्दी आता है
हाय उसको पता है ऐसे करते ओह माय गॉड खुशी दीवानी
तुझको ऐसी कहानी
समझा दे ये बात है मैंने जानी क्यों प्यार करने से भी मुश्किल है निभाना हो हेलो हेलो ये लो जरा मेरे टच में रहना So we stopped by a CCD. Oh, we stopped by a CCD and we're just having something because we didn't had anything since breakfast. Varun sir's beauty secret is Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. Rupen, Varun sir and Cheta, they went to return the car, and right now me, Shivani and Ulka, we all stay in the same place, so we are all here. Shivani, how was it?
Amazing.
Acha. Okay guys, I'll talk to you. हाँ पापा जी. नहीं पापा बस. Okay, you can't see us. Okay, come. Hi guys. So we reached home, all three of us. We reached home and it has been some time. We took shower and now we are out again to eat something. So that was it. This is the end of the vlog. How was the trip, Ulka?
Very nice, amazing, awesome. सुनाई नहीं दे रहा।
How was the trip, Shivani?
So I badly needed this break and it was refreshing as well.
And it was actually kamar breaking because she has kamar pain, I have leg pain and a little bit of kamar pain. What pain do you have?
All the place.
All the pains. So it was very nice trip, like a small getaway. So that's it. Thank you very much. Leave a comment down below and let us know if you have any queries. Why will you have any queries? Let us know. Let us know. I'm still in like office mood. Let us know how you like. Did you like the trip or any other thing that you want to let us know? Bye.